Hello. Today we're going to go over an example of how to dissect a frog virtually using the zSpace platform and Vivid Science. So notice in front of you we've already got Vivid Science open. We're working off of a presentation. In Vivid Science you can set up multiple slides where you can have different demonstrations on each slide. So we also have the capability to go ahead and go from a standard view, which is 2D, into an augmented view if necessary to be able to better see the item that you are working with. So we're going to go ahead and let's begin. We're going to click on slide 2. And in slide 2, we went ahead and we removed the frog's skin. And so you can see his muscle structure, and that's specifically what we want to look at. We can also remove some of the items or the muscles on the frog, like the external oblique. We're going to lay that to the side, as well as the latimus dorsi, as an example. And by then going ahead and turning our guy, you can show your students a little bit better about how he looks internally from the side. Notice I've listed or set on the small intestine. So, next slide. Now we're going to go ahead and put him on his back to prepare for the dissection. And here again, we can also move him. We can go back into 2D view if need be, whatever is better in your world to be able to present this to your students. So, slide 4. We went ahead and we removed all the muscle structures so that we could view the internal of the frog. So, for this instance, we want to go ahead and we want to remove the scapula. And we're going to do so by going ahead and clicking. And again, we can move our frog to be able to show better where that scapula was. And again, some of the internal organs. With the scapula removed, we now have a better view of those internal organs. And we want to go ahead and remove the liver. Now, the liver has 3 parts, or is in 3 parts on a frog. And so those 3 parts, or nodes, help produce bile and aid in food digestion. So we're going to go ahead and remove the pieces of the liver here, and here, and one more here. And I'm going to flip back into 2D to show you what that looks like, and move our frog so we have a better view. And again, we can go back into the augmented view and also have a better look of our frog all the way around. So today was just a quick example of how you could virtually dissect a frog using the zSpace platform. Thank you.